at what point should you consider replacing your battery with a new one? And also, what does the battery health of your iPhone tells you? When you go to your settings, check your battery health. Some batteries are 100%, some 90, some 80, 70, but once it goes below 70 to 60 to 50, that simply means the health of your battery is weak. That's the cells, not the health. The health is also involved, but it's mainly the cell, because that 80 or 90% is not your charging percentage, it's the health, that's the cell of the battery on your iPhone. So once it goes below 70%, you have to replace the battery with a new one. Once it's 90 and 100% is good to go, you can be able to use it that way. And one thing you need to observe is that when your iPhone is below 70, you see that you charge it 100%. Whenever you charge it 100%, you observe that the battery easily goes down. Not like you're using, even when you're not using it, you observe that the battery easily goes down on its own. It's not like the first time whereby the battery stays longer before it goes down. Even while using it, you observe that the battery easily goes down, drains down, then you have to charge it. At that point, you need to discover that the cell of your battery is weak. So you have to replace it. You don't need to wait until the battery is swollen, or maybe the battery is pregnant for you to discover that you have to change it. Once you use it and battery health is 70% below, you have to consider replacing your battery with a brand new one, because if you don't do that, you're not going to enjoy your iPhone using it the right way, and with that, it's going to affect you automatically, because you're not able to use your phone for long whenever you charge it. So once your battery health is 90%, 100%, you are good to go, you are going to enjoy using your phone. But once it's below 70, you have to consider replacing your iPhone battery. And what does the battery health of your phone simply tells you? Just as I explained, once your battery is 90%, 100%, it simply means that whenever you charge your phone, it's going to stay longer. It's going to last longer compared to any other whenever it's 70. But once it's below 70%, that's the battery health, not the charging health, not the charging percentage, the battery health itself. Once it's below 70, it simply means the cell of your iPhone is weak. So you need to consider changing the cell of your battery. That's what it simply means, that you have to change your battery, replace it with a brand new one. That's just it. So thank you for watching, and if you like to watch more videos, not just only this type, a whole lot, I'm going to do a whole lot on unboxing, reviewing mobile phones and televisions and whatsoever. If you're interested in all this and so many others, please don't forget to click on the like and share this video so that it can be recommended to a whole lot of other people. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more of these good videos. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching. Till next we meet, have a blessed day.